Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one, we're doing electronic prescription service data. So this has come from NHS Digital from the website you can see here. You can see from this data, the data goes back to April 2020. There's a lot of detail, over 44.5 million rows over these 7 tables. These are the data ones, and these are the ones that describe what's in there. So here I've queried the 3 data ones so you can get a sort of idea. Just pause the video so you can have a quick glance and you can get the idea. Obviously, these codes you'd use dimension tables to get the descriptions. I'm also showing the dimension tables that are specific for this schema. So you've got the metadata claimed one there, metadata codes and descriptions, the one for metadata created, and the metadata for dispensed. And that's it. Thanks.